There may be several things stopping patients from pursuing a smiling treatment, including time, money, and fear. In regards to time, how long will this procedure take? From the initial consultation to the time of surgery, that can be as fast as 2 to 3 weeks. And then it's typically between 3 days to 5 days, your acute recovery from the procedure. And then by 1 week out, you're looking and feeling great, ready to show off your new smile to the world. So the next barrier is money. This procedure is an investment in your future, and each treatment is tailored individually to your needs. We have multiple financing options available that we can discuss here at consultation. The last barrier is fear. Many patients are fearful of coming into any dental office, and this is something we understand. We deal with this every day, and it's our goal and our desire to make you feel as comfortable as possible so that you're smiling throughout this entire procedure. If you have any questions about the procedure, please don't hesitate to contact our office at Lane Oral Surgery.